What's up, guys? Just wanted to come to you really quickly today to discuss one of the most common struggles that us as affiliate marketers have in the online space, and that is shiny object syndrome. Now, have you bought a program and you go through it and another great offer comes along and you jump on that offer as well, start tackling it, and you leave the other one and not focusing on it anymore? And then another great offer comes along and you buy it because you think it'll get you the results quicker than what you're having right now. That's part of what shiny object syndrome is. Every new offer that comes along and seems great, we jump on it and neglect focus on the primary ones that we had. And not to say that these other offers aren't just as good, but you really have to focus on the program or the offer that you initially purchased. Give it a chance, give it that focus and dedication to really see the results. And once that's successful, feel free to move on to the other offers and other, you know, streams of income that you could really build based on your previous success. And if you build up that track record of focus and dedication, you're gonna see success, but you have to focus on one thing at a time. So, what I'm doing to overcome the shiny object syndrome issue is basically shut out all distractions and really buckle down, dedicate myself to focusing on one program until it's successful and getting consistent, again, consistent results. That's the only way, you know, that's the only, I would say, the only marker that I would use to really gauge whether I'm ready to move on to another, you know, product or offer that I can really take on a challenge. So, with that, guys, hope that really provides some value. And if this helps, and if you like this content, please share, subscribe, comment, like. And with that, see you on the other side. To your success, let's crush it.